Hi everyone, welcome to Love of Christine. Please do click the subscribe button below if you haven't subscribed yet, and the notification bell beside it para updated ka every time I uploaded a new video. So guys, as you can see from the title, i-review natin itong Beauty Glazed Color Board Meteor Match Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is available on Shopee and Lazada, and it retails for only 561 pesos. Ang dati niyang price is 1,300, pero it's on 57% off. So this eyeshadow palette contains 180 grams of the product, and it contains 60 highly pigmented shades. So first impression sa packaging, super simple but super unique din kasi it's very compact and madadala mo siya kahit saan. Tapos meron pa siyang pa-holographic effects. And sa likod nakalagay yung mga ingredients. So this eyeshadow palette is also cruelty-free, means it's not tested on the animals. And magagamit ko siya within 24 months after opening. So this has magnetic lock, and we will see the different shades of green, orange, yellow, blue, which is I'm excited to use, tapos pink and purple. So the product has matte, sheen and shimmer finishes to lock up our eye looks. So the colors are rich, vibrant hues, and a touch of glitter that will go on any skin tone. So, na-swatch ko na siya. Sabi nga nila, dupe daw to ng ColourPop eyeshadows. So, for the formula, super soft, very pigmented. Some shades are patchy nung swatch, pero siguro pagdating sa eyes, okay naman siya. Some colors, kailangan i-layer para mag-show off yung color. So, all of the colors are vibrant, ang ganda tingnan, and nakaka-positive lang ng vibes. Ganon. So, I will use these green shades for my eye look today. final look. And ang masasabi ko lang, sa eyeshadow palette, meron siyang minimal fallouts. And it's not super powdery. Nahirapan lang ako sa falsies. So,